To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Hi detectives, I was just looking closely for our next clue, but I can't find it. Can you help me? Thank you, because you guys have been the best detective of all time. You can find the clues. I am having such a hard time. Can you help me out? Okay, let's get started. But before we do, who finds our clues? Sound Monster. Let's call him Sound Monster. Sound Monster. Sound Monster, what are you doing in the tree again? Oh, just hanging around. Well, come on. What clue do you have for us today? Well, today there is a lioness, that just means girl lion, and she broke a lamp and she said the only way to find the letter is if we do a lamp sign, like we're turning on a lamp, every time we hear the "ol" sound. Okay, I think we can do that. All right, do you remember what your job is? You have to pretend like you're turning on a lamp every time you hear the "ol" sound. Lucy the lioness leaped lazily on the trampoline. Inside, she wasn't paying attention while licking lollipops and broke her mother's lamp. Oh no, she broke the lamp? Oh boy. Let's see if I can find... I found the fixed lamp and it looks like it has the letter L. The name of this letter is L. What's its name? L. What's its name? L. This says ol. Can you say ol? Ooh, let's see. My tongue is doing some tricky stuff. Ol. It's touching my front teeth right here, but it doesn't go in front of my teeth. It stays behind. Ol. Ooh, what are my lips doing? Ol. Ooh, they're kind of puckering up like some of my other letters. Ol. What are my teeth doing? Ol. They're not touching. Ol. What's my voice box doing? Ol. It's vibrating. Do you think this sound can go on forever? Let's try. Oh, that was so long. It can go on forever. Let's learn my action so we can get really good at it in our song. All right, for this one, we're gonna pretend like we're pulling down this little string right here to turn on our lamp. So it goes like this. L, lamp, ol. Ready? Your turn. L, lamp, ol. Let's try it by yourself. L, lamp, ol. Let's do it again. L, lamp, ol. Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, a. T, table, t. S, snake, s. P, pig, p. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. C, cat, k. F, fence, D, dog, d. H, hat, h. O, octopus, ah. R, rat, B, bat, b. L, lamp, ol. Way to work hard. All right, this is an uppercase L. What is this? Uppercase L. This is an uppercase L. What is this? uppercase L. This is a lowercase L. What is this? Lowercase L. Can you say it like a sweet old lady? Ready? Uppercase L, lowercase L. Can you do it by yourself? Wow, your brain is getting so big and smart because you are working so hard. Can you help me sort my letters? Uppercase L, O. 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 Lowercase 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 L, O. Are you guys ready to write your letters? Do you remember my song? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We are going to write one of the easiest letters of the alphabet. Can you guess which one it is? Did you say L? Now, uppercase L is very easy. We're going to start at the top. So we're going to start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, and across on the grass line. That's it. That's uppercase L. Let's do it one more time. So we're going to start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, and across on the grass line. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's do lowercase L. This one's even easier. You ready? Okay, we're gonna start at the top. We're gonna start at the skyline, go down to the grass line. That's it. Let's try lowercase L one more time. Start at the skyline, down to the grass line. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You guys are writing so many letters. I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to tell me the sounds. Can you say log? Tap the sounds. Did you say o, a, g? Say lip. Tap the sounds. Did you say o, e, p? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. O, a, m. Did you say lamb? O, a, p. Did you say lap? You have learned all about the letter L. Can you do this page on your own? Look what we have here. It's another mastery glass. We just got done learning about the letter L. If you are ready to see if you can earn your mastery glass, go ahead and get an adult. But if you're ready to move on, you can color in L on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.